What if I told you that the realm of science fiction is becoming our everyday reality, and the line between the two is blurring faster than you might imagine? Have you ever contemplated the profound impact of artificial intelligence on our lives? Suddenly, we have evolved from ordinary search suggestions to interactive voice assistants. It's like we've been thrust into a riveting sci-fi narrative. AI infiltrates our lives, subtly directing from the tunes we enjoy to the products we buy. It's persistently learning, adapting, and evolving, much like us. Visualize AI transforming healthcare, predicting diseases before they're lethal, autonomous cars regulating traffic, saving time, and an entertainment industry personalizing content based on your tastes. This isn't a distant future, it's happening now. Championing this AI revolution, one company stands out: Meta. Meta, previously known as Facebook, has been at the forefront of AI development. A daring statement that holds true. Meta's AI research started as a fledgling bird learning to fly. The company explored the vast landscape of AI and its potential. Now Meta is an experienced flyer, soaring above many rivals. Its journey in AI is marked with significant milestones that transformed our interaction with technology. It's beyond making machines smarter. It's about weaving this intelligence into platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger. These platforms now integrate smart AI technology that enriches our virtual interactions. Meta has also been pushing its AI assistant, a digital aid designed to simplify our online lives. From setting reminders to finding memes, it's there to help. Meta aims to make this assistant more human-like. It's exploring multimodality, using multiple types of inputs and outputs to facilitate better understanding and response. The world of AI is competitive, with constant new developments and rivals, but Meta proves that it can face these challenges. The latest addition to Meta's AI endeavors is the introduction of Llama 3. A whimsical name, but the tech behind it is serious, but that's for another time. For now, let's admire the journey that led us here, a testament to Meta's dedication to AI advancement. So what's the buzz about Llama 3? Llama 3 is Meta's latest AI model. It's groundbreaking, open source, and designed to revamp Meta's AI assistant. This model is growing exponentially in terms of scale and complexity. Picture an AI model with numerous parameters and countless tokens. This leap forward in AI opens up astonishing possibilities. But what's behind this complexity? It's the training data. A mix of public data and synthetic AI-generated data broadens Llama 3's learning scope and adds creativity to it. It's akin to teaching a child from textbooks and imaginative stories, making learning more comprehensive. Meta aims to make the assistant more personalized, pushing AI boundaries. The goal is to make the AI assistant an interactive, engaging companion for users, not just a tool. However, the AI world is dynamic. Rumors of OpenAI's GPT-5 are circulating, intensifying the competition. Llama 3 is a big step for Meta, but the journey ahead is full of challenges and opportunities. With Llama 3, Meta is hoping to lead the AI revolution, but with rumors of OpenAI's GPT-5 on the horizon, the AI industry remains a thrilling space to watch. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on this journey we've been on together. From AI impact to Meta's leaps and Llama 3's capabilities, we've seen it all. Remember, we're just at the start. As AI continues to evolve, there's much more to explore. We need your engagement and curiosity to deliver insight. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Share this video to spark others' curiosity. To not miss future explorations, subscribe to our channel. In next video, we'll explore OpenAI's GPT-5 rumors. Stay tuned, you wouldn't want to miss that. With your support, we'll keep unveiling AI's mysteries. Let's continue learning and growing. Until next time, thank you for watching, and remember, the future is AI.